Gather all your materials ahead of time. You will need dog ear cleaner, white cotton balls, paper towels, and some soft dog treats. Don't use Q-tips to clean your puppy's ears. Use cotton balls instead. Q-tips can damage the eardrum. First, saturate your cotton ball with a high-quality dog ear cleaner. Don't squirt directly into your dog's ears. The cold shock of it makes the dogs hate ear cleaning even more, so it's much better just to saturate the cotton ball. Take the saturated cotton ball and put it inside your dog's ear. Then gently massage the outside of the ear to move that wet cotton ball around the inside of the ear for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then use that same wet cotton ball to wipe the outer ear canal clean. Next, insert a new dry cotton ball into the ear and massage gently to soak up any excess moisture. Give your puppy some yummy dog treats and praise them with good. Keep the experience positive. Then it's time to do all the steps on the other ear. Saturate a cotton ball with your dog ear cleaner. Put it in your dog's ear and massage for a few seconds. And then use that wet cotton ball to clean the outer ear canal. Take that out and put in a clean, dry cotton ball to soak up any excess moisture, and end with some extra special treats. That's it, you're done. You can use this same ear cleaning method on dogs of all ages, from young puppy to adult dog, all the way through senior dog age. And don't forget the treats. Thanks for watching.